Look at this. Broken window. I'm trying to fix my window because it broke and it made this awful sound. So hopefully this trash bag will stop all the rain. It's about to happen right now. It's happening right now. See if we get this to work. Is to put it on the outside. I just hope people don't see this and go, oh, I'm gonna break into that guy's car. So is that too obvious? That looks really obvious. I think it's working, but I gotta find some tape so I can tape it to the outside of the car so it doesn't. Alright, where's that tape? Well, this doesn't work. That's the broken one. Here. That's just some beer. Here. Aha! Got it taped up. I think it's gonna work. Well, it'll work for tonight. So hopefully the rain won't get in. That's all. Hopefully nobody breaks into my car. It'll be fine, right?